How to ignore messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your iPhone. Once you're here, find and tap on the conversation from the number you wish to block. Inside the chat, tap on the contact's number or name at the very top of the screen. This will take you to the information page, where you can manage settings for this contact. On this page, at the bottom, find Hide Alerts and tap on the toggle switch next to it. If you want to stop all communication, you can also block them. So, tap on Block Contact. From the pop-up, tap on Block Contact again to confirm. As you can see, this contact is now blocked successfully. Following these steps, you can easily ignore messages on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.